Okay, this is gonna be a review of the MBRP aluminized 3-inch side exit pre-axle exhaust. This is for a 09 to 14 F150. Here's shown. This is my 2013 F150 FX4. Just mods, just done some new wheels with some mud claws, 20-inch 33 1250s, and I'm gonna do a sound test and a rev test. It's gonna be a warm start, but this is new. It just came out a month ago, if that. Not even on the website. Ordered off of eBay. All right. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do a few rev tests. Alright, we're gonna do some I'll do a few revs inside here. Let me turn this off. Alright, this is inside the cab. It is a little loud, it does have a lot of drone noise, but let's see. Here we go. This is gonna be about $2,000. Alright, if you want this is for, like I said, this is on my 13 F150. They don't even have this on the website. You actually go to MBRP, type in, it's model number S5261. There's the old exhaust. S5261 aluminized. They do offer it in T409 and 304 stainless. I paid right at $400 for this, so